morning already?
So relaxing laying around in this house in Walden that I built for myself to exclude myself from all civilization and society.
I think I'm going to move all of the furniture out into the lawn before everybody wakes up so I can clean. That's the last of it. When my floor was dirty, I rose early and, setting all my furniture out of doors on the grass, bed and bedstead making but one budget, dashed water on the floor and sprinkled white sand from the pond on it, and then with the broom scrubbed it clean and white. And by the time the villagers had broken their fast, the morning sun had dried my house sufficiently to allow me to move in again, and my mediations were almost uninterrupted. Thoreau cleaned his house so early in the morning because it was uninterrupted and silent, and he did it as a form of mediation.
Thoreau took pleasure and humor finding all of his furniture mingled in with nature. He appreciated, quote, the berries draping over the tables, end quote. We just ate our breakfast! You're only done with all this! Choo-choo! Is that the railroad again?
They go and come with such regularity and precision, and their whistle can be heard so far that the farmers set their clocks by them. And thus, one well-conducted institution regulates a whole country. Have not men improved somewhat in punctuality since the railroad was invented?
Choo-choo! 5 o'clock already? Time to go to the mall.
5 o'clock already? Time to go for dinner. Oh crap, it's 5 o'clock, I'm late for work.
You see, the railroad is used as an alarm because it comes at the same time every single day.
And Thoreau believes that because the railroad is now part of society, people are now more punctual and on time. I'm so happy they invented the railroad.
It simplifies our lives. I love this railroad. It simplifies my life. Thoreau criticized society by using the railroad. He says that we use the railroad to simplify our lives. This is ironic because
by trying to create something that simplifies our lives, we ultimately create something that controls our entire life. Are those church bells I hear? The echo is, to some extent, an original sound, and therein is the magic and charm of it.
Thoreau heard church bells depending on which way the wind blew. Because of nature, the bells were magic. Cool.
Thoreau suggested that all intelligent people can avoid boredom by closely listening to their surroundings, sounds, and actions. Is that an owl I hear?
Sounds like the slow, painful death of Justin Bieber.
By listening to the hooting owls, Thoreau described them as representing the dark, stark twilight and unsatisfied thoughts which all men have.
Through listening to the owls, Thoreau thought that they sounded like dying men. And